cut some rod strips. Extra light. A few millimeter strips. It should be plenty. Now let's do a little turn. Clean up the edges. I'll do it as a lap. Now, because ideally you need to have a support underneath, because otherwise it can burn through. So I'm going to put this piece of button underneath that joint so it doesn't burn through. There you go. Always use safety goggles because you can do a bit of pop, pop, pop. That's a little pop. The flame got too close. Now, I think flame needs to be a bit smaller. Oops. actually brass coated wire brush. It's quite good cleaning tool. Now you can see the start wasn't so great. I had to redo that to get it re-welded, but the end of the weld, it's quite clean weld. I'm pleased with that one. This one, it's welded on, but it's not as pretty. So I'm going to try to make a flange. Just clean this edge. And make a flange. Lay this. It's not correct tool for doing this job, but it will do it. It's a lightweight little pin hammer. So all I'm doing is just making a flat flange so you can sit flat onto another piece of lead. Clean it all up. Some oxide. Because it doesn't like to stick to oxidized metal. Now we're just gonna tack it. One tack on one end. So all you have to do is make sure you don't burn through it. You have to lift up flame every time you do a spot, because otherwise it might get too hot and burn through. You don't want that. I'm coming to the thicker part. So that is the weld. It's not extremely consistent, but it's all welded solid. So if I just round this edge on the base, I make it more round. And if you take in consideration that I've done a little bit of this, really little bit, about 15 years ago, and then didn't touch it, and that was with oxyacetylene, and now bought this oxypropane kit, and this is my first trial now, really. I had a bit of half an hour practice, as you can see a little bit of burning there, and that's about it now. I'm gonna try to get a bit of water and fill it into it, so if it can hold the water, job is done well. So as you can see, there is nothing, there's no water in there. This is first test. Oh no! I have 2 little whips. One whip there and one whip there. Apart from that, it's holding. So let me sort out these 2 whips. Well, I can actually see them. There is a little spot there, and a little spot there. Right, got some water, and I'm going to make a little spout. Little spout to pour the water back out again. Let's see. Does it hold the water? Yep, it does. This side weld, it's not that bad. Bit of stop start, bit of inconsistency. Obviously here where it came, that section is not bad. This is a bit ugly, but it works. All I need, a bit more practice. But there you go, it holds the water. We did a water test. Nice new toy. It will be used on site. Just need more practice. If I can get my welds like that bit there, more consistent, I'll be more than happy.